Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Variation in bird calls can be tricky, but we can solve this quickly. Let's look at the genetics behind these complex songbird warning signals now.
The problem highlights a wide range of variation in bird calls. This continuous variation suggests that the trait is not controlled by a simple single gene with only one version.
When you see a broad spectrum of phenotypes, it usually means multiple genes are interacting across different chromosomes. This polygenic inheritance creates the diverse range of calls observed in the study. Options B, C, and D describe limited genetic scenarios. Therefore, option A is the only logical choice for this complex trait.
Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid rush and watch signs. Trust given data and check steps for success.